Hi, this is Sulaiman, aka Dile. I'm an SAP consultant. I'm going to take us how to create a purchase order in SAP Business One. We talked about how to create a business partner in SAP Business in our last class. So in today's class, we are going to talk about how to create a purchase order. A purchase order is a commercial document that is issued by a buyer to the seller, indicating the proposed purchase. Is a formal agreement between the buyer and the seller for the purchase of goods or services. Is a document that contains the details about the uh, goods or services to be rendered. It contains information about the quantity, the description of the goods, the price, the discount, if any, and every other terms of purchase. So I'm going to share my screen now. Then we'll start. Okay. To create a purchase order in SAP Business One, we are going to click on purchase. We are going to click on modules, purchase AP, purchase order. So the first thing we select the vendors, that is the company or the unit that's purchasing a goods or services. So let's assume Fast East Imports is the buyer. So it's preparing documents against the goods he wants to purchase or the service he wants to receive from a vendor or contractor. So then the next thing is if there is a vendor reference number, we put the reference number here. So the next thing is we select here, we click here, we select here whether if it's an item or service. If it's a service, we click on service. So we are going to put the details of the service we are requesting to render to us. That is the service the vendor or the contractor will render to us, the GL accounts that will be affected, the price and the tax and other information like that. And if it's an item, like in this class, we are going to create a purchase order for the purpose of item on item. So we select an item here, then we put the item number, which is the goods we are trying to purchase. Let's select the goods. Let's say we want to purchase these two items. JB Office Print 1420, JB Office Print 1111, 1111, and click choose. So the next thing we put the quantity. Let's say this one is 5. Then this one is 7. Okay. So this is the unit price for JB Office Prints 1420. This is 150 GBP. While the unit price for JB Office Prints 1111, 75 GBP. Then we indicate whether it's a taxable. Let's say the tax is 20%. Yeah, the other one also tax is 20%. So the total payment due is 1,530 GBP. If there is any other information, we put it on the remark here. Then if there is any other information here need to be selected, this is shift to. This is the location where the item will be shipped to. That is where the goods will be delivered to. If there's any other information that we need to input here, this one is already set. The payment terms and the payment method is already stated, it's already set up while creating the business partner. Okay, so then we put the dates, posting dates, delivery dates, the dates we want the item to delivered, the document dates also. So after every other information is put, if there is a discount, we input the discount. If there is no, we move on. After everything is after every information is inputted, then we now click on add. This add and view. So that's the end of how to create a purchase order. So if we close this order, we close this document, we now decide to call it back to see the purchase order we just created now. We click on the last data record. This is the order we just created now. And if we want to find the order we just created now, we click on this find mode. We open the purchase order, we click on the find mode, put star icon. Then we select the dates. This is 2309. This is the document we just created. This is the dates. We are 2309, 2024. Well, we click on choose. So this is the order we just created. So this is the end of the class on how to create a purchase order in SAP Business One. Thanks for your time. Please don't hesitate to watch some of our other videos on YouTube and other platforms. Thanks so much for your time. I am Sulaiman Abdelhamid, aka Ibile. Thanks.